ka Office u Deputy Commissioner Bhoi District haringkat ka jingtray lang bakatna sarkar bapher bakantup ya ka Office u DTO, DRDA, DSWO, DMHO, DLC, but DLDM menta kasngi laipo terik kelalengkot kila pelong ya ka program a Jingsumar a syakinongnya auto hakathan Nongpoh. Kabla tip kum ka 1 day camp, 1 scheme and free medical check-up for auto drive ya kabla pelong ha Office u District Transport Officer Bhoi. Hakane kasngi lawan bensakhi da ka Vevo Tolu Kezo IS Assistant Commissioner Bhoi haka jingdon ringkan uba I Carmon DTO Nongpoh lembat ki driver auto nakathan Nongpoh.
The district administration, Bhoi district, is organizing this 1 day camp on insurance schemes as well as a medical checkup for the auto drivers in Bhoi. So it is a full day program. We're doing this in collaboration with the DTO, the DSWO, the DMHO, and a number of organizations and departments here. So we're expecting around 300 to 400 auto drivers to be coming here for their registration. The insurances such as PMJJBY, SBI, Atal Pension Yojana, and accident insurance schemes. So these are some things that we're focusing on. So we hope that it will be a successful program.